Hello, today I will guide you on how to download all files from Google Drive at once. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Go to Google Drive. Here you will see all your files and folders. You can manually select multiple files by Step 2. Access Google Takeout. To download all files at once, we will use Google Takeout. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of Google. Select Manage your Google account. In the search bar, type Download and click on Download your data. This will take you to Google Takeout. Step 3. Select Google Drive Data. By default, all Google services are selected. Click Deselect All first. Scroll down and find Google Drive. Check the box next to Drive to select all Drive files. Ensure that all Drive data included is checked. Scroll down and click Next Step. Step 4. Choose Export Settings. Under Delivery Method, choose how you want to receive your files. Send download link via email. Under File Type and Size, choose .zip format for easier extraction, 10 GB file size. Click Create Export. Step 5. Download your files. Google will start preparing your export. Processing time depends on your data size. Small files, a few minutes to hours. Large files, up to several days. Once the export is ready, you will receive an email with the download link. Open the email, click the Download Your Files link, and save them to your computer. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more tech tips.